Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got quite the unboxing. There's actually 4 items here that were sent by Crane's Cutlery. All of them are by Reate, the T3500. Usually this stuff is exclusive to Crane's Cutlery and they just send it to me to check out. I don't get to keep it. That'd be great, right? But I don't get to keep it. It's got to go back. But I'm always up to look at something exclusive from Crane's, and definitely something that's made by Reate. So this should be pretty exciting. I believe that these are available right now, so I will link them right down below so that you can check them out. It does help me when you use my links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these. I'm going to go ahead and start with this. It just says black carbon. This is probably the first. This is a good one to start with. So these are, I don't know if all Reate knives come in these boxes, but at least the nicer ones do. So you get the box, and I don't know, that's probably these are, he probably opened these, the retailer probably opened them up. But you'll get the microphone, you'll get apparently there's a carry pouch in there, and then like a drawstring pouch. There's the microfiber cloth, and then yeah, some extra hardware. That's what I was looking for. It's always nice to get extra hardware because these are going to be expensive, right? Oh yeah, so there we go. That's different. The holes, am I wrong? That's different. Yeah, this is the one. This was, I mean, I reviewed a different version of this one time. This is nice and smooth. Still pointy and angular for sure, but nice and smooth. I like this size. This is the larger size of this is preferable for me, especially considering it's a pretty angular model, right? But that construction makes it look like an integral knife. These holes are definitely different, at least from the one I handled, M390. And then we have that really cool sort of just subtle recurve Tanto blade. This carbon fiber is freaking gorgeous. Oh, man. So here we go. Black, I mean, that's going to be marble carbon, I believe. But that looks really good, really good. So most likely what we're about to see here is variations, like different colors, basically. So what do we have? We got blue here. Let's open this one up, take a look. The blues and the blacks generally are my favorites. Just kind of, you know, it depends on what you like. Yeah, that's good looking. These are probably all exclusive. I think these are all exclusive to Crane's. And they like to do these special runs, right? With Reate, which is really cool because that's generally what we see. It's like, you know, Spyderco, the OD green Spyderco, and the blue Spyderco, and the red Spyderco, right? At least, like, we're getting different colors here, but at least, you know, we're mixing it up and doing something a little bit different with some oddball models, right? Okay, so we got the blue one. What do we got here? This one's going to be, okay, inlay is titanium. It does feel heavy. Okay, I thought we were going to get like a green one or something. What do we got here? Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. Interesting. Definitely a little bit different. It's just titanium with titanium like hammered or rock pattern inlays. Kind of nice. Definitely a little bit heavier than these other boys here. These are all nice and smooth, extremely consistent. And then what do we have for the final one? We have red. Okay, so we just didn't, there's just not a green, or at least he didn't send me a green one. I know what the red looks like, generally speaking. Oh no, this is, okay, hang on a second. I actually like this a lot. That is not what I was expecting. Dang, that looks really good. Wow, holy crap, that looks awesome. I was expecting kind of the sort of, like, you know, the magma flow, they call it magma flow, like fat carbon. That's what I was expecting. This actually looks like hardened, like, you know, it's magma that is in the process of turning into obsidian. That is sick. That looks really good. Holy moly, I like that. I would actually opt for this one. That's beautiful. Look at the inlay work, right? Just totally seamless. Man, that, let me zoom up on this. That is really, really nice looking. Trying to get the camera not to shake. man, I love that. That is wild. I kind of, the holes are really random, but they're all right. I don't know why they're there, right? It's ventilation, right? So there you go. All of these are great. I think my favorites are the black and the red here. These are really beautiful. All of the carbon fiber is just a little bit different too. Like it's not at all the same looking carbon fiber. So not only are we doing different colors, but we're doing different variations of carbon fiber. Okay, so the T3500, once again, I'll show you the outside of one of the boxes. There we go. T3500, exclusive to Crane's Cutlery. I will absolutely review this model. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. You'll get a full comprehensive review of these knives, and I won't do them individually, obviously, since they're all variations of the same thing. But I will show them all in the review after I've had a chance to look them over and kind of, gauge this or that. And then that'll come 2 to 3 weeks down the road. Like I said, you'll be able to pick these up by checking out the links in the description. And while you're at Crane's Cutlery, take a look around. The reason that I like to work with them is because they have really, really cool stuff. So make sure you check them out. That's going to be pretty much it today. Thanks so much to Crane's Cutlery for sending these in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.